guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. I think it's been about probably a couple of weeks since I've been online or been uploaded a video, so I'm very excited for this one. I have a new unboxing, and this is from Dxgirly Designs. This is so cute that she has her own little sticker. That's so adorable. Yeah, I like that. If you guys have not seen her sculpts, she is on Instagram and she's also on YouTube as Dxgirly. Go follow her because I will put her links down in the description below, but you guys have to see her adorable girls that she's been creating. I could not resist this one, so without further ado, we are going to get into her. And I think I'm going to open her. Well, let's see. I might go ahead and open her from the top if I can cover my address. This is going to be a nice welcome break from all the knitting I've been doing lately. Take time to do a little unboxing. I am going to be participating this Friday in our local Midtown Fridays, which is a local event that they've been doing all summer, and this Friday is actually the last day, so I am so lucky that I got in. I'm going to have a vendor booth, and I'm going to actually be selling some of my knits and crochets, human-sized ones. Hang on, let me go ahead and cut through this side that my address is on without going into the view of the camera. But if you guys could say some prayers for Dxgirly right now, because they are in the direct path of the storms that are headed to Florida. I really hope everybody is going to stay safe over there. I don't want to give you her address or anything, but she's in Florida, and I DM'd her this morning and let her know that her girl arrived, and I said, "You're not like in the direct path of the storms, are you?" And she said, "Yeah, like in the direct path." So hope and pray that everything is going to be okay and that they don't get any damage, or you know, I'm just, that must be like so scary. But anyway, my thoughts and prayers are with you, Nikki, and hopefully you will weather this storm and get through it without any occurrences. So anyway, let's get into the girl. Like I said, it has been a while. I've missed you guys, but I have been knitting and crocheting like crazy, getting ready for this event on Friday. I'm going to be selling some beanies, kind of boho style, and after that, I've also been preparing for a road trip, which I'm going to be going back to Oklahoma to visit my family next month, which is less than 2 weeks away. So if you guys follow me on Instagram and you haven't seen me posting very much, and of course, you know, I haven't done much on YouTube lately, that's just because I've been preparing for my event and getting ready for this big road trip. But that all said, now we're going to focus on this girl. Gosh, I can't wait. Let's see, how do we open it? And this box is amazing. Wow, you really went above and beyond. Look at this, guys. Look at her box. It is amazing. I love this, and purple is my favorite color, so definitely saving this box. Now we got to figure out how to get into it. Aha. Okay, it goes like this. I think. Is there tape? Am I doing it right? I think this lifts up. Yeah, okay. We got it. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Everything is like so beautiful. Hang on, let me, there we go. Get the lid back. Where should we start? And I asked her to do the face up, so she's going to have a face up, which I can't wait to show you guys. So first, let's take a look and see what's in this little bag. Cut through all the tape. Oh, hang on. Okay, this looks like hands. I honestly can't remember what all she comes with. Wow, okay. So I guess I did get extra hands. I think this was extra. Don't quote me on that, but correct me if I'm wrong, Nikki, in the comments. Oh wow, these are cool. Look at this. Look at this. And she did these, like she did the sculpt and she did the 3D printing all by herself. Hold on, so this one's got nails. Okay, so these two hands go together because this one has long nails. Wow, these are awesome. Oh my goodness. And then we have these little fists. So cute. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. And then we have one more pair. If I can get to the last one. There we go. Oh, look at these. Cute little palms. These are gorgeous. So she's got hand options. Those are going to be fun for photos. Oops. Alright, I'm going to put those back in the bag because I don't want them to get broken. Actually, I'm just going to lay them aside right now. Oh, I see her face already, guys. So, thank you, it says, for supporting my small business. And you know, I really have gotten into supporting small businesses lately. And I love indie artists. I really want to support the community and the artists in our community as much as I can, at least. So let's take a look. This is probably her COA. Oh, guys. And you did so, I mean, I wasn't even expecting it. Like, look at this. Look at this card. This is so awesome, and it's glossy, and it's like a thick card. Dxgirly Designs. This is Pumpkin. Oh, she's number 11. 9/21/22. And this says Doll Sculpted by Nikki Kelly with a little help from Sugar Pineapple on the hands and feet. That is so cool. Oh, look at that. Dolly nudity, guys. Awesome. All right. Let's see. So let me put this aside. And are you guys ready to see the girl? I love this color scheme, the purple and the mint green. Green and purple are actually two of my very favorite colors, and they go very well together. This is a very cool blanket. Wow. Did you make this? Did you make these blankets? Okay, no, Chase. Just wait. Oops, Sorry guys, I'm bumping the tripod. All right. Oops, I think her head is loose, so I will have to be careful when I get her out. I may have to reattach her head. Let's see. Let me get in a better position here to catch her head. I'm going to see if it's... Let's check and see if it's loose. I think it is. Okay. I don't want her head to go rolling. Heads will roll, right? Alright guys, I'm going to have to use the scissors again. Sorry, it takes me so long to get into packages sometime, but I really do appreciate when they are wrapped so well. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull her out and I'm going to just set this whole box aside so that I can lay her down on my table and hopefully get into her easier. There we go. All right. Now let's see if we can do this. She's really wrapped up well, and I appreciate that. I do need to find out why her head popped off. So just make sure it's okay. She came with eyes and everything, guys. Look at that. Oh, she's beautiful. You did such a good job on her face up. Oh, I love Nikki's face ups. Dxgirly. I am so happy I asked for the face up because I just love her. Wow, she's beautiful. Let's take a look inside her head. She's got her eyes. Very, very nice. Oh, and those are nice strong magnets too. And like I said, Dxgirly did all of this herself, even the printing. Although I think she does have some orders that are going to be sent off to a caster. But this is definitely very special because this was this doll was fully created by Dxgirly. So amazing. Now, let me set her head aside while I get her body out because I don't want her head to roll off the table. And this is, oh yeah, I already mentioned that it's the pumpkin sculpt. I like how she's got a lot of like food names for their sculpt names. That's so cute. Definitely check out her Instagram, which I will link down below. And guys, if you haven't seen her dolls, like I've mentioned before, if you haven't seen them, her dolls have such amazing bodies. They have very nice curvy bodies, which I do appreciate because I'm actually quite curvy myself. Let's see, I think this needs to go, how does this go? There we go, her arm. Getting it in the right position there. You know, so many dolls have one body type. Not really one body type, but a lot of the fashion dolls are just skinny minis, and I'm so glad that some artists are now going for more realistic looks, you know? Not all of us are fashion models. Oh my gosh, she feels so good in the hands too. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. And this resin feels so soft. It's like buttery soft. Let's see if I can just pull this off. Oh, we did it. Guys, look at this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did she get broken? Oh, she did. I think I can glue that. Oh. It's okay. Oh, this happens in shipping sometimes. Let me see if the other part of her leg, there it is. Okay. Let me just see if that is all that's missing. Hang on, guys. Yeah. I think some super glue will do, because it's not like shattered or anything. It's one piece. Let me show you. I think I can fix that okay. Don't worry, Nikki. It's okay. I am going to just super glue that and not worry about it. She's got a little battle scar, that's all. I'm going to set that aside so I don't lose that piece, but let's take a look at her body, the rest of her body. All right, guys. So, as I was saying, her body is very unique. And look at that little bum. She is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I like her hips. She's very cute. And we'll see if we can get her head on. And I love this neck, how it's got the little ball on it. That way the head kind of swivels. So we're going to try to get her head on and see how that works. No, Chase. You're okay. She's double jointed. Wow, look at that. She can actually hold, look at that. She can actually hold this like kneeling position. That's really cool. I love it. Okay, let's check the other knee. No, Chase, I will play with you after I'm done. He is always, he always wants to like go. He is just non-stop. There's her other knee. Very cute. Let's check her elbows. I like that little belly too. Look at that little belly. Look at that profile. Let's check her elbows out, which they are double jointed too. Very nice. Gosh, I've tried sculpting a head myself, but I am not even brave enough to attempt a body yet. If I do anything, it's just going to be a head to begin with. You did amazing. Oh my gosh, Nikki, this is gorgeous. So let's try. I love her little thighs. Look at that. They even have like, can you guys see that? Like the little, this is so realistic. How it's got this little area here. I love that. I don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean. All right, guys, let's see if we can get her head back on. She probably had her head on, let's see, hang on. When you shipped her, okay, I'm going to see if I can do this with my hand. my hands. Hopefully I can. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Whoops. Uh-oh. Let me just see if I can get that. Now it feels tight. I did it a minute ago. Hang on. Let's see, maybe I did it from this direction. Might be easier. Yeah, because I can grip the little S and pull up on it easier that way. And turn it. And then put her head cap back on. Woo! Oh, guys, look at her. She is so cute. So I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna knit her some clothes and find her a wig, and I will be sharing her on Instagram. I'll probably try to find her a temporary wig for now, so I can at least get a photo posted on Instagram and share her later today. But gosh, I am so pleased with her. She's so beautiful. And I love that you even added some eyelashes. Look at that face. She is a gorgeous girl. Thank you so much, Nikki, for allowing me to order one of your gorgeous sculpts. And like I said, whoops. Like I said, guys, I am going to put links to her down in the description below, to Dxgirly Designs. Go check her out and show her some love. And like I said, keep her in your thoughts and prayers, guys, because that storm, that hurricane, Ian is actually headed right for them right now. So keep them in your prayers, guys. All right. And Pumpkin says, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.